Hey everybody, happy hump day. Hoping that distance learning is going well for you so far. For today, there is no workout today, it's just going to be an assignment. So I'll take you guys through that assignment. But a few things first. Remember, check back, make sure you did both things for Monday. So a lot of you only did the reflection questions, which were great. But there's also that Google Forms survey. So make sure that if you did that, check your gradebook, make sure the grade is in there. And if you did not do it, make sure you go back and fill that out so you can get those points because that was half your points for Monday. For Tuesday, make sure you turn in those reflection questions as well, and make sure that every day there's reflection questions that we are doing the workout before we answer the questions. Okay, next week we're going to start using like recording yourself to turn that in for your points for the day. But as for this week, we're just keeping it easy with those reflection questions, so make sure you are doing them. All right, so for today, if we look at the screen here, I hope you guys like the gift today. Okay, watching my video is task 1. Task 2 is complete the lifetime activities worksheet. So you're going to download the PDF at the bottom of this page in Notability and then type all of your answers. So when you pull up the PDF, this is what it looks like. So there's 3 questions here for you to think about as you go through this assignment. Okay, we laid it out for you. You're going to type your answers. Okay, so you're not writing them in this PDF, you're typing them. You must use at least 3 sources to source or to support your opinion. So sources that end in .edu, .org, and .gov are strongly recommended. If .com is used, credible sources must be cited within that .com. If you know a professional whose career is based around fitness and health, you may use them as one of your resources. And you're just going to copy and paste the link from this source in the sources page at the end of this worksheet. So use 12-point black font and a reference page, and it is due tonight at midnight. So you're going to think of 4 lifetime activities that interest you later down the road. So first one, you're going to answer all these questions related to that one activity. Then you're going to answer these questions related to the second activity, these questions related to the third, and these questions related to the fourth. After that, this is where your reference page is. You're just going to paste the link that you used under each of the sources. Okay, if you have more than 3, totally fine. Just go ahead and put those in the bottom box there. After you have filled that out, you're going to go back to this page. You're going to submit the worksheet at the bottom under lifetime activities right there. Okay, that is due tonight at midnight. So make sure you're keeping up with these assignments. I don't want them to be packed on. I know you have a lot going on in your other classes, so make sure you're getting those done, and let me know if you have any questions.